Unfortunately, I lost some footage on the way back from the store. On this trip, I bought a brand new battery along with a few other items. The battery was so heavy that I had to strap it to the bike and then walk the bike back to the marina, as it wouldn't hold both my weight as well as the batteries. Thankfully, it was a nice day, so it was a pleasant walk. And here we are. We have arrived. My driving skills have not improved much. Front heavy, I have to hold it down. Otherwise it's gonna tip. I got a couple things today. Get over here real quick without it flipping on me. I got some new flares because mine were expired. Some always useful zip ties. A voltage meter for the new battery. Let me know if the battery has charge or not. Some more shrink tubing for any wiring I have to do in the future. An empty pie case. Empty because of course it's me, so it didn't last very long. A monster in case of emergencies. A battery mount terminal. Some WD-40 for the bike. And of course, the brand new battery. I just changed my brake pads. They were all worn out and not working properly. So now we're gonna take it on a test drive and make sure it's all working proper. See if they need to be adjusted or not. And there she is. Just took her out for a joyride. Guy with his new toy. Have to go play with it, of course. It's a 9-foot West Marine. With a propane motor, which is interesting. It actually puts out quite a bit of oomph for a 2.5 motor. And it's in relatively good shape. There's a little bit of rust and just wear. It is a used boat, but the motor is actually still under warranty, and the owners extended the warranty up to 5 years and called West Marine, and that does transfer over to me. So I now have a basically new propane motor, still under an extended warranty. Everything's pretty good, except there does seem to be a little bit of water leakage from this corner. Nothing serious, and as soon as you get out of the boat it drains. It's only when, like, I'm sitting on this corner right now, that I actually take any kind of water, and it's very minimal. I just took her out into the open water just outside of the bay, and got scared and turned around. Definitely a smaller boat when it comes to those waves, but she does handle pretty good. A little sensitive at the slower speeds, but actually when you get going faster, it seems like she controls a lot better, so that's pretty good. I'm just going to store her right here for now. But I'm very happy with the price and the purchase. And this propane heater, or the propane motor, runs off of just regular propane canisters for camp stoves and stuff. So just off of this size of deal that you can get at local gas stations. So very readily available source of fuel, and pretty dang cheap for how long it lasts.